Bullish lunk cost out for 2022 for the most part is 0.00024165. In a clear manner, the lunk cost will also generally fundamentally show up at 0.5 soon in an unobtrusive manner. Skeptical lunk cost speculation for 2022 on a for the most part fundamental level truly is 0.00005051 or so. They explicitly thought in land phenomenally praiseworthy lunk cost assumption 2022. We use appraisals, cost plans, receivables, and various information about lunk to destroy the future progress of the electronic cash, which for the most part is truly fundamental land, pretty commendable lunk exceptionally current market status, as sort of shown by Kinjeko. The expense of land extremely excellent lunk sort of generally is 0.00011720. With a 24-hour trading volume of 105,866,105 at the hour of making notwithstanding, lunk truly has limited to 21 at this point, which basically fundamentally is actually certainly massive right. Currently land praiseworthy lunk trades, modernized cash exchanges like Binance Bitham KuCoin FTX Huobi genuinely overall. Kex de Gifinex Gadio and Bitvavo exceptionally, in spite of unavoidable thinking, what fundamentally is land commendable lunk, which everything considered for the most part is incredibly truly essential. Land truly commendable lunk fundamentally especially is one of the sort of undeniable level sorts of cash that may very well never according to a certifiable viewpoint anytime for the most part be forgotten by the crypto kind of area. The wild catastrophe of this kind of token, for the most part, is a titanic sort of decimating story of the 2022 truly in every practical sense bear market, which actually by and large is genuinely certainly essential land, commendable lunk was conveyed off by obviously Do Kwon's Terraform Labs in 2019, which by and large is genuinely essential. The old version of the blockchain land commendable really basically was essentially shipped off as a proof of stake pose blockchain, considering Universe SDK and Tendermint in an unpretentious manner. Lunk overall around existed as an affirmation kind of symbolic that truly kept a party of decentralized stablecoins of the land, especially certainly regular framework, in a kind of monstrous manner. Land classicist USK, sort of basically is land's algorithmic stablecoin, that sort of for the most part, was everything thought of as in a real sense, stayed aware of by lunk, in an incredibly tremendous manner some time later too in every way that really matters in general. Recuperate their spot keeping truly observe everything considered fundamentally Do Kwon, and the land group explicitly truly pondered the development of a new blockchain without the algo stablecoin, and by and large around that really matters shipped off the new coin called Land Luna, which especially certainly is actually commonly essential land basically model lunk cost assumption. 2022 land essentially excellent lunk in a real sense, statement 2022 essentially is gotten a handle on under with a customary time period, which truly is very fundamental. The above chart of land essentially model lunk, spread out a changing base model in a basic manner, the expense upgrade structure, a model that most certainly is apparently a bow, and as kind of such especially truly is generally called the saucer base model, in an honest manner, as an unbelievably by an enormous rule. The changing base model, sort of most certainly shows a kind of lengthy expense reversal, or so they in a real sense, thought this model correspondingly revolves around the advancements in the market, feeling as the model for the most part, most certainly seems to move from negative to bullish, or so they in each judicious sense all things considered thought monetary allies by and in every practical sense huge need to especially stay mindful and time the market well ignoring pretty standard thinking, accepting that the worth breaks and moves pretty certainly past the check level. It will generally enter a proclaimed bullish course by and large, regardless of unavoidable thinking at this point. Land pretty excellent lunk sort of is at 0.00011657 in a simple way. If the model returns the expense of lunk could for the most part, basically show up at the obstruction level of 0.000017 and 0.00611543. Accepting the model especially turns the expense of lunk could tumble to 0.00004646 land really model lunk sponsorship and resistance levels. The design under unequivocally shows the assistance and resistance levels of land, in each suitable sense, model lunk, which truly will be genuinely gigantic from the above normal time frame we can unquestionably translate the going with as the resistance and sponsorship levels of land, kind of excellent lunk. The graphs show that lunk sort of for the most part has commonly played out a bullish model all through the scope of the outright especially last month. Accepting this model returns lunk could show close to the bulls, most certainly extremely overpowering its hindrance level at 0.000246165. Comparably expecting the monetary help generally misdirect the crypto the expense of the lunk could tumble to kind of close to 0.000005051. An actually regrettable sign in a really basic manner, land sort of excellent lunk cost conjecture 2022 revol mother and reside a truly relative volume revol of land, commonly commendable lunk sort of in a real sense, is shown in the underchart, which truly essentially is extraordinarily tremendous. It implies that how the progressing trading volume certainly has changed all through some time period, from the especially past volume for delegates. Stunningly as of now the revol of lunk actually especially lies under the end line, showing surprisingly frail individuals in the basically the very the most recent thing which all around generally is especially gigantic. Furthermore, the moving pretty run-of-the-mill mom of land in every logical sense, excellent lunk on a very basic level, for the most part is shown in the above graph, which especially is truly tremendous comprehensively. The lunk cost by and sort of huge for the most part lies in commonly overabundance of 50 mom, sort of present second, so it without a doubt is absolutely in an upward plan in a colossal way at this point. Lunk sort of is in a bullish state, there essentially truly is somewhat conceivable of a reversal delineation of lunk, at whatever point or so they genuinely thought. Meanwhile, the sort of in general strength record RSI of the lunk, especially for the most part, is at a level of 5581, in a particularly basic manner. This suggests that lunk generally basically will be essentially in an overbought state, which according to a veritable viewpoint, is truly kind of fundamental, if the RSI level goes in exceptionally abundance of 70 it will sort of in a real sense enter a generally fundamentally complete overbought state. Subsequently it could unequivocally truly give confirmation to the vendors to trade with no trepidation, kind of an opposition to for the most part standard thinking region in each rational sense. Model lunk cost estimate 2022 ADX Revi license us now to buy, and certainly huge basically look typical directional in every way that really matters. Document ADX of land, genuinely commendable lunk definitely.